to make a water balloon explode on you. All you need is a hose, a water balloon faucet, and a balloon. What you do is you put the hose between your legs, you take the water balloon, and you put it on. This part is optional. If you already have a water balloon that's blown up, great. Okay. Then you fill it up, and you take it off. If you have too much water, just go like this and release. Release. Then twist it around, go like this. Okay. If you have a maintainer, you might want to remove it from your mouth. Make sure you put it in a safe place. Now, all you need to do pretty much is nibble on this and then wait for the explosion. You might have a little holes or two. And there you have a water balloon explosion.